guys, it's Mel here. I'm going on a trip to Ibiza and right now it is 7:08 and I'm gonna take the bus to meet my friend at the airport. Excited! Oh my god, I have my backpack right here. This is my only luggage and I also have a personal bag and yeah, I'm so freaking excited, so let's go.
Salut!
So we just arrived in Ibiza and we have to wait for the bus. It comes every 1 hour, so we have to wait 30 minutes. So we just arrived in St. Anthony, that's where we're staying, and it's a very sunny day. It's very beautiful. So I think we are going to find the hotel to see if they have the room ready, but we're not sure because it's only 12 o'clock. But we're also gonna eat after for lunch. So we just left our bags at the hotel. They didn't have the room ready yet, so we're just going to eat now and then we'll come back. So we just stopped at a restaurant and we ordered Paella. I had the black one and she's having the normal. So we just checked in the hotel. I think I have my tea black because of the rice, but that's okay. So we just checked in. So here we have the entrance, and right next to the entrance we have the bathroom, which is really nice. Very simple with a bathtub. Then we have a closet right here. We have 2 twin beds, the TV, and a nice balcony as well. So yeah, that's a pretty nice room. We also have a mirror right here. Check out the balcony. Oh, it's pretty big. The view isn't the best, but that's fine. So we are out by the beach and we are looking for excursion at these stands. Currently it is 4:30 and we just booked a boat tour for tonight at 6:45 to go watch the sunset. So now we're just walking around and then we'll go back to the hotel and then do the boat tour. It was like 40 euros, which isn't too bad, so I'm really excited.
Tense holes in my bankroll. Why you running away from me? I don't know. The thirsty, I'm your Paco. Why you running away from me? I don't know. I'm Ibiza, Miss Cause I missed that little feeling when I kissed your face. I didn't go home, I was feeling so.
We've been just chilling at the beach and now we're gonna go back to the hotel to change before our boat tour. And we're also gonna see ferries, if they have any time schedules and stuff like that. So we're back at the hotel and it's currently 6:14 and we're gonna head back very soon because we have booked a boat tour for 6:45. We're gonna see the sunset in the north of Ibiza and we paid 40 euros. I hope it's gonna be good. I think it's 3 hours of boating and this includes the drinks. That's pretty great. We also saw a couple other boat tours for the next days and we are debating between 2 at 60 euros. One is in a yacht that have lunch included and another one has like very cool activities with like clear kayaks and also like little like water scooters, and they also like offer you to bring a GoPro and you get to keep the memory cards, I think, which is pretty cool. We don't know yet which one we're gonna choose. So I just changed into a more like comfortable outfit for the boat. I'm wearing this beautiful green dress and this is open back. This is a beachwear. I love the color, and yeah, we're gonna head out very soon. Hopefully we can see the sunset because there's a few clouds. They announce thunder at 7, so hopefully it's gonna be good. So far we still see the blue sky, so I think that's fine, but we'll see about that. We are waiting for the boat tour. I think the weather is gonna be nice, so finger crossed it's gonna stay that way for the sunset. So it's boat tour time. This is the boat.
Don't forget me, cause I'll still be here. And I
think we are at the first stop.
I wanna do is best, I just wanna be better. Swear I really wanna do better, wanna do better, wanna do better. No puedo respirar, los muros se acercan, no puedo escapar. No puedo olvidar, veneno que atormenta, no hay tranquilidad. Quisiera poder amar, pero tanto defecto no me dejará. Fuiste lo más especial y lo mejor de mí contigo se quedará. A mí ya no me queda nada. Tú eras mi lugar de fe. Dicen que el tiempo curará. No sé si vuelvo a creer. Don't forget me, cause I'll still be here. And I always think about you to death. That's so bad that I said I wanna do is best.
We just finished the boat tour. It was so fun. We saw freaking dolphins. Now we're gonna look for a restaurant. It's like past 9:30, so we're gonna eat.
When you're not here, the sun.
So we just stopped at a Italian restaurant. It's really cute. I'm gonna have some lobster truffle ravioli. Hopefully it's good.
Our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how to
So we are back at the hotel. It's currently 12:30 a.m. It's pretty late. I just showered and I need to dry my hair because otherwise I'm gonna get a cold with the AC. But it was such a fun day. I think today was the travel day. Even though we took the plane, I think we did quite a lot of things. We went on a boat tour, which was pretty nice since it was the evening, and like for sunset I think the water wasn't like the best. It wasn't like a stunning blue water, but it was still very pretty, and we got to see dolphins, which was amazing during sunset. That was so like magical, and I'm so happy for that. And then we ate a very good dinner, and yeah, that was pretty nice. I'm so happy and I'm looking forward for the next days. Tomorrow I think we're gonna go to Ibiza Old Town, which is like on the other side of the island, and I think that's gonna be pretty fun too. I just got a One Piece Luffy poster, which I'm not gonna show now because it's like taped, but I'm gonna insert a clip now for you to see. And yeah, I'm just gonna chill a little bit, dry my hair obviously, and then go to sleep because it's pretty late and I'm pretty tired since I woke up at around 7 a.m. today. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.